In 10 minutes we start the motor and we
Yes.
start 1.5 year travel.
Après 30 ans de quotidien, à chanter l'éternel refrain, de la couette à la salle de bain, du café jusqu'à la bagnole, 2 fois par jour le même chemin, depuis 7200 matins. Les yeux fermés, voire sans les mains, elle pourrait conduire sa bagnole pour naviguer.
Very nice, dirty jobs. Goodbye.
Yeah, perfect, eh?
Se lever tôt, se lever tôt, se lever tôt, se lever tôt.
We arrived.
Oh,
All right.
okay.
So I have to
Preheat, yes. There you have to put about 15 seconds.
This was a huge moment. After nearly 2 years, we were finally ready to start the motor and begin our adventure.
And then, yeah,
And then start together. And the preheat.
again. Yeah, you keep the preheat on.
Whoa! Let's go! So guys, let's see what is the alarm outside. Just the Garmin. We're rolling! Wonderful.
Bye bye. Back on the sea.
How does it?
Back on the sea.
How does it feel?
It feels very, very, very good. I can't tell you.
Oh, it feels so good to be on the water. So good. You cannot imagine what comes up to my mind now. Many things that have nothing to do with sailing, but a lot with living. Ah!
Our first stop was downtown Vancouver, where we prepared the final things for our first test sail.
Felix, what are you gonna do now?
Up the mast.
Up the mast. And I'm on the winch, pulling Felix up the mast. 1, 2, security. And so we're gonna check all the shackles, all the bolts. The boat was not being sailed for 2 years nearly, and so it's very important to make sure that nothing is loose that could go wrong. When you have all the sails, before we mount the sails, we have to control all of that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. All right, so Felix is in the mast. Hello, Felix! And all safe?
You are far away.
You are in heaven. And all good?
I met the angels.
Good. You met the angels. And how does it look?
It was beautiful up there. I could see all over Vancouver.
Ah? And the material?
The material was really perfect. No rust, nothing. Every security bolt was in. It looked very good.
Great.
Of course, this made us very happy, but our happiness did not last very long.
So?
Martin,
Yes.
what are you doing here?
I'm hugging the boat. Trying to find the leak. We have a water leak, and so it's on the most inconvenient place. But after 3 hours we found it. Good, stop. Yeah. And now we don't know why it's not closing. Yes, that's the boat life. It's down here. Very convenient.
Or here.
Or here. And the beautiful thing is, like, it's really clean down there. Yes.
After many hours of searching, we finally found the leak. In the meantime, we got attacked by pirates.
Piraten!
But the pirates were not our main problem at this time.
So we try since 4 or 3 hours to get our gas working. We had to get a new sensor, which we're gonna test now. Felix,
Yeah,
ready?
not yet.
This is a really big moment. And by the way, do you like our order in the room? This is how current event looks like, because we had to open here. You don't see it, but let's check the gas. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Felix is outside. 3, 2, 1. Achtung.
Jetzt hat er geschaltet da.
Something happened. You want to test the stove? So, smiling and hoping. So geil. Yes!
Nein,
We can make coffee! Oh, this is huge. But I have to show you how the boat looks like. This is outside. We're a floating workshop. This is the piece that we had to replace. We have no idea what it's for. No, it's a sensor. This is inside. Felix making some heat. This is our dinner. And now this is our storage. Here we had the water leak that we also solved, and then we have to put everything back in here. So yeah, huge day, huge celebration. Yoo-hoo!
Solving one problem after the other, we got closer and closer to finally set up the sails and test the boat for the first time in 2 years.
Felix, what are we doing?
We are now sailing away
Yep.
and having a small lunch. A nice biscuit, a nice sandwich.
Nice.
Here you go.
Oh wow, an upgrade. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Hello Vancouver. Bye bye Vancouver.
Martin, tell me about sailing.
We are sailing. It's nice. It's very nice. I have to say. We have beautiful wind. First proper sail test. Vancouver Island.
And you know, it's the first time on your own boat you are
my
sailing.
I have to say, it feels a bit surreal. I'm not sure if I can grab it, that this is now part of,
Your life.
yes. Yes, it's really, it's hard to put in words. Yeah. Felix, where are we?
We are in the north of the Strait of Georgia, called Desolation Sound.
I'm on Shrimps Corp. Ready to rumble! Oh! I got dinner.
Wow, a rockfish!
I have to show you something. This is called the Martin Islands. I like. Nice.